Welcome to day 7 of our 30 days of pattern drafting. We shall be making the bolero jacket that is on your screen at the moment. If you notice, it has a double button stand and a collar. So this is our CF, that's center front. This is our front bodice block, and this is our back bodice block. So what we're going to do first is we're going to extend our center front to accommodate the button stand. To do that, we get a fresh piece of paper and place it under 3 inches from the center front to this point. Create our button stand. So this now becomes our new front bodice. With our button stand, you cut this in 2 pieces and then you lap them over. Create your collar, you bring in your back pattern, basic block, like so. It's and kiss like this. Use a tip to temporarily hold it down. Then you go ahead and use your tape to take a measurement round. You would notice that the collar of the bolero jacket doesn't extend to this button stand. What you will do is from the center front here, you take a measurement of your entire neckline from front to back like this. Remember that your back is going to be closed, cut on fold. So after taking the measurement like this, you then go straight ahead to draft your collar. July, I shall be hosting a skirt class where you should learn how to draft a basic skirt block, how to alter your basic skirt block to create an A-line skirt, how to manipulate your data, how to create volume, how to manipulate your fabric to create gathers, and ultimately how to create this tiered skirt. This class is strictly for beginners. If you're interested, do send a WhatsApp message to this number to be added to our WhatsApp group. From the center back, you place the tape and then you mark your measurements like this. The next thing we're going to do is the measurement we have from center front here to this point is the exact same measurement we're going to apply here. Connect with a straight line. At this point here, you make an extension. See, let's say 1 inch or 1.5 inch. Then using a straight line, you connect it like so to this point. And there you have it. You have successfully created your collar. The next thing you're going to do is you're just going to go on and then cut it off as expected. And this now becomes our neckline. You cut it on fold here at CB, and this is our neckline. So after you would have joined your front and back bodice like this, your back collar, you start joining from this point, and then you join round, round, and round till you get to this point here at the front. And it's not supposed to extend beyond your center front to the button stand, so it will create the front collar effect. I hope this was helpful.